Hello, my name is Paige, and this channel is all about my DIY journey on the Saskatchewan prairies. In today's project, I am putting cardboard mulch in our tree nursery.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
I prepped the cardboard by cutting down the boxes and removing all tape. Steer clear of any boxes with a plastic sheen to it. Those won't break down. Because of the ink on the cardboard, steer clear using this method in your veggie garden or anywhere you're growing food.
Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
We had an early snow this fall, but I am determined to get one last yard project in. The first step of laying down cardboard mulch is making sure your soil is well watered. Good news about the snow is that's already been done for me, so we can get straight into laying our cardboard down.
The method for installing cardboard mulch is very simple. Put your cardboard in place with the edges overlapping, then give it a thorough spray with water. Cardboard mulch is a great tool in an area where you're wanting to snuff out weeds or lawn or in garden pathways. But it does create a barrier between the soil and the air and the water. So a good rule of thumb, don't use this method anywhere where you want roots to grow and prosper.
So I've got my cardboard all in place, and the next step is putting on the mulch.
I used arborist mulch, which simply put is bits of leaves, branches, twigs, and trunks of varying sizes from various different tree species. I aimed for a 4 to 6 inch depth for my mulch layer.
I'm setting up this project into two different sections. The first one here, I've laid cardboard underneath our mulch. And then this half, I'm gonna do it without the cardboard as a fun little experiment, sample size of 1.
Winter came and went, and then it was time to get out into the tree nursery and see how things fared. I did see some evidence of grazing or browsing by deer and other wildlife, like this guy here, where you can see that the top has been munched off. When I dug down, you could see that there was very little decomposition of that cardboard, which was not too surprising considering I did this project in the late fall and all those soil microbes are still resting. I was really happy with my tree survival rates across the whole nursery, and even though these numbers might suggest that the cardboard mulch is the winner, it's more a story of poor soil quality in certain areas to begin with.
It's been about 10 months since I installed the cardboard mulch in our tree nursery, and I'm back out here today to see how things are holding up.
I definitely saw less weeds in my mulched area, and the weeds that were there were a lot easier to pull out. Being curious to see if there was a difference between the cardboard versus non-cardboard, I decided to do a highly scientific experiment. I took random samplings from both sides of the tree nursery and did some weed counts to see what was going on. There really wasn't much difference in terms of the number of weeds on the cardboard mulch side versus the non-cardboard mulch. And over time, that seed bank's going to build up on top of your cardboard mulch. I also did a water infiltration test. This is a super simple experiment that you could do in your own garden too. And all it tells us is when rainfall is hitting the soil, is it actively going into the soil or are we more likely to lose it? Slow infiltration means that you're losing more water, whereas a faster infiltration rate means more of that water is going into your soil and being stored. What I saw in my water infiltration test is that the cardboard mulch side was slower to absorb that full water, which makes sense because there was an additional barrier that it had to get through. My takeaway? Cardboard mulch can be a great tool to chemically free, kill your lawn, or keep a weed-free garden pathway, but it's not the right tool to improve your soil health.